Hey guys, it's your girl Britt. Welcome back to my channel. So we are now back with our regularly scheduled videos. Lately I've been putting out a lot of outfit of the week videos, which I hope you guys liked. I will leave some link throughout this video if you guys haven't seen all of them or if you haven't seen any of them. But I hope those videos gave you guys some outfit inspiration and ideas. Also, let me know whatever you guys do want to see so I can do that for you. But today in this video, we're going to be doing more basics and essentials for a more chic wardrobe. So I am in the process of transitioning my wardrobe from cute to chic. So everything in this video is new. You guys haven't seen any of these pieces, so I'm super excited. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Follow me and I will leave my Instagram somewhere on the screen. Let's get into the video and I hope that you guys enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna first get started with bodysuits. You guys know I'm all about affordable fashion, so everything in this haul is affordable. I will tell you where I got everything and the price. The first bodysuit is this nude bodysuit here, and it's just really pretty nude beige tone. So this I got from, and this is in an extra small, by the way, but I got this from Marshall's and it was $10. The brand is Gaze. So yeah, bodysuit, it's the same exact style. So we have another black and it's super stretchy, very comfortable. I have worn this already. So the price for this bodysuit was also $10. The brand is Mikey and Joey, and this is in a size small, and I got this from TJ Maxx. Again, another very similar bodysuit. So this one, it's in a dusty pink sort of color. It's the same brand as the nude one. The brand is Gaze, but this one is in a small. This one is from Marshall's, and again, $10. So these are super affordable pieces. It's good to have these sort of bodysuits or tops in your wardrobe just because they go with so many different things and you can style them a lot of different ways. The next bodysuit is just this white bodysuit here. So this is just a spaghetti strap with a scoop neckline, and this is from Ross. The brand is Avito. It's a size small, and this was $5. We have a gray bodysuit as well. It's the same brand as the white one, and this is from Ross. It's $5. Super basic, stretchy. The material is 90% cotton, so it's very soft and stretchy. And yeah, very basic bodysuit. And our last bodysuit is just another black bodysuit. It's the same style as the last two. This one is from Ross, $5 as well, and it's the same Avito brand in a size small. I love black. I mean, having a lot of black pieces in your wardrobe as well. For me personally, I feel like you can never go wrong with an all black outfit. So having different types of black in your wardrobe is also very important. Okay, so next I have a few tops and shirts. So the first one is just this basic white crop top. This one I got from TJ Maxx and it was $6. And this is in a size small. The brand is Bozzolo. Also guys, the good thing about having basics and just simple pieces is that they're very inexpensive, very affordable, but you can style them so many different ways. So it's like, it's a win-win. I also have a black crop top. It's the same brand, Bozzolo, and this is from TJ Maxx as well. And this was $6. I actually don't have any black crop tops, so when I saw this, I was like, you know, definitely something essential, again, with the whole black. It's good to have a lot of different black pieces so you can style them different ways. The next top is this brown top. It has a mock turtleneck, but it does have the kind of like a muscle tee type of sleeve. I got this top from Marshall's, and guess how much it was? Oh wait, $3. $3. Originally it was $6, so, and it's $3. The brand is actually the brand is American Eagle. So that's also the good thing about shopping more affordable, is that you can still get brand names, but for a fraction of the price. I don't know how much this originally retails. If it were, you know, if I were to buy it from American Eagle, I'm sure it wouldn't be $3. So yeah, but this is a size small. And the last top is just this blouse here. This is so beautiful. I actually have not tried this on. I bought it yesterday, but I hope it fits nicely. But it's just this cream and pink blouse. It's very loose, very flowy. So this is very versatile. You can wear it a lot of different ways. You can wear it tucked in, tucked out. You can tie it. The brand is actually Mango. It's a win-win when you can find brand names for a fraction of the price. So this is from Burlington, and I got this for $12.99, $13. It also does have the original tag on it, and this normally retails for it doesn't have the price, but I know this would cost a lot more than $13. So, and this is a size 4, a US size 4. Okay, so now we're going to do pants and bottoms. So the first pair of pants, I guess, are just some basic black biker shorts. I got these from Forever 21. They're a size small, and they were $4. So I'm super excited to style these. Next are these cut off shorts. They're like mid-thigh. The brand is American Eagle, and I got them from TJ Maxx for $15. They look really, really nice on. They're very comfortable as well. And now I just have 2 pairs of jeans. So the first pair are these medium to dark denim washed Levi jeans, and it just has this little hole here. Very simple, distressing. So these can still be worn. You know, since they're not too distressed, they can still be worn, you know, in a professional setting. They're the wedgie straight denim jeans, high rise. And I got these from Ross for $15, and they normally retail for $98. And my last pair of denim jeans are another pair of Levi jeans, because Levi jeans are a very good brand. Their jeans last long, and I mean, the price is just unbeatable. So I got these from Ross as well for $15. And these are Levi's, they're wedgie straight high-rise jeans as well. These are more in a light wash denim. Again, they are the straight leg, and these have no distressing, which is really good. It's always good to have a good balance between distressed jeans and non-distressed. These also retail for $98. Now we're going to do outerwear. So the first piece is this leather jacket. I really like this leather jacket. First of all, having a leather jacket in your wardrobe, I think, is definitely an essential no matter where you live. No matter whether you have 4 seasons or not, I definitely think leather jacket is a must, a black leather jacket, because a black leather jacket can be worn in so many different ways. It's so versatile. You can dress it up, down, in between, all around, inside and out. So I got this from Burlington for $15. The brand is Jack by BB Dakota. This jacket retails for $88. and I got it for $15 from Burlington. So the same person who might have the same exact jacket in their closet for $88, I got it for $15. Next, I got this corduroy jacket. I love this. I love the color. I can't wait to wear this. It has some distressing at the bottom, which is really, really cool. Just adds that little extra detail. It also does have distressing on the end of the sleeves. I got this from Burlington for $20. The brand is Kenzie Jeans. So this originally retails for $68, but again, I got it for $20. All right, so next we have a blazer. This is just a checkered blazer. I'm obsessed with this blazer. Blazers, again, are something that are so chic, sophisticated, classy. You can dress them up, dress them down, and they just add like an extra oomph to your wardrobe. The brand is Mango. It is in a size small, and I got it from Burlington for $25. And this originally retails for, oh boy. So they have it in pounds. It's $59.99. I have no idea what that converts to in US dollars. So you guys can do the conversion. But my last clothing item is another blazer. This is from Burlington as well. I got it for $25, same as the other one. The brand is Mango, the casual line. This is in a size small, and yeah, this is definitely a European brand. This is a medium in your European medium, but in US small. And it's just another simple blazer. So next we are on to shoes. So my first pair are these adorable loafers. So these are Gucci inspired. Shopping affordable, guys. You can also find amazing designer dupes, or designer replicas, whatever word you guys want to use for it, at a fraction of the price as well. So that is great. This brand is actually Steve Madden, but I got these for a really good price. They were $20 from Burlington. And they're in a size 7. I don't know how much they are originally. It doesn't have the original price tag. But I know Steve Madden, their stuff can be pretty expensive as well. And my last pair of shoes I'm very excited about. And they're these black boots. So I'm sure you guys have all seen these boots before, but the actual ones, which are the Doc Martens, which are pretty expensive. I got these from Burlington. They're obviously not Doc Martens. The brand is Union Bay. These are on a 6.5, size 6.5, and I got these for $25. I just love that whole chunky, big, hefty, like boot look. And these are super versatile as well. So it's a different day. I look a little different, but I just wanted to show you guys another pair of boots that I got. So they're the same exact pair as the other boots I just showed you, just a different material. These are more of like a leather. The other ones are plastic. Even though they're the same boots, they have different materials, so they will give, different style to different outfits and just have a different vibe. So lastly, we're gonna do accessories. So, okay, so lastly, we're gonna do accessories. I have a lot of earrings and just a few belts, so I'll show you guys my belts first. I don't remember where I got this. I just got this set of belts. It has a black one with silver hardware, this cheetah print gold hardware, and then this red one with gold hardware as well. And then I got a whole bunch of earrings. So the first pair are these really pretty gold hoops, but they have like that twisted detailing on them. So I got these from Burlington. They were $4. So the next set are these hoop earrings as well. All of the earrings I got are hoop earrings. And this set is $5 from Burlington. and they have the different metals on there. You have the silver, the kind of like gunmetal one in the middle, and then you have the gold. Just very simple. I really like this. These are really cute because you guys probably won't tell, but they kind of like curve. So there's like a little detail added to them. So super nice, and the size is a really good size. I got another pair of gold hoops. I got these from Burlington, I think, for $6. Yeah, these were Burlington for $6. Another set of gold hoop earrings. So they come in different sizes. The first ones I'm actually wearing right now. So these are just really small hoops, and then it has a bigger size in the middle, and then these at the end. And these are from Burlington, and I got them for $5. The very last thing in this whole haul are my last pair of earrings, which are a silver set of hoop earrings. Again, I got these from Burlington for $5, which is a super good deal because this comes in a set of 5 pairs of earrings for $5. And they're really adorable pieces, super small, again, very chic, and they have all their own little style to them. And I mean, you can't go wrong with, you know, some hoop earrings. I hope you enjoyed. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.